My dear learners and listeners, welcome to my channel Pioneer English Learning. Today, the topic of my discussion is sentence pattern 14 for learning spoken English. Under this heading, I am going to talk about won't do anything. যার অর্থ হলো কিচ্ছু হবে না. Now come to the example number 1. Talking to him won't do anything. Instead, talk to the boss for a solution. তার সঙ্গে কথা বলে কিছু হবে না. তার পরিবর্তে বসের সঙ্গে কথা বলো একটা সমাধানের জন্য. Number 2. Weeping won't do anything, rather keep doing your work. কেঁদে কিছু হবে না, বরং তোমার কাজ চালিয়ে যাও. Number 3. Complaining won't do anything, preferably move away from there. অভিযোগ করে কিচ্ছু হবে না, সেখান থেকে চলে যাওয়াই ভালো. Number 4. Complaining won't do anything. It is better to move away from there. অভিযোগ করে কিছু হবে না, সেখান থেকে চলে যাওয়াই ভালো. Now come to the structure number 1. V1 ing plus won't plus do plus anything plus adverb plus imperative sentence. Second structure. V1 ing plus won't plus do plus anything plus assertive sentence. Here V1 ing is working as a noun as well as a subject. If you follow these two structures, certainly you can make a lot of such type of sentences. Here I am ending. If you like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you all.